When you're done making all of your edits on the site, click the Publish Changes button to push that out to your devices. If you want to remove your changes, click Discard Changes, but it's important to note that if in any of the modules you click the Save button, and you'll see a Save button in Song Blocking and Groups, those changes will not be undone. They won't be submitted to your devices, but as soon as an update does go to your devices, it's going to get those changes. When you click Publish Changes, you'll see a summary of how many devices you updated. So in my update, it included 4 devices that are on Network Update. I want to see exactly which devices those are, I can click the List Devices button. And 2 of my devices get their updates via disk. Disk update devices get a disk once per month, so the update will be included in that by default, or if I want to expedite that and get that out quicker, I can select the Expedite Shipment option and select my freight method. If you receive it on your monthly disk, there's not an additional charge, but to expedite, you'll see that it includes the charge that you'll receive. And the math will add it up for you. You'll then see a window that we're publishing your changes. It takes about 2 minutes until this window disappears, but at this point you can close your browser. You don't need to wait for that to go away. And if I were to log in again right now, it would still show me publishing changes. Once the publish is complete, you'll then be returned to edit mode where you can make more changes to your devices if you need. If for some reason this lasts longer than 2 minutes, you don't need to worry that there might be anything preventing the change from getting out to your devices. Everything that you've saved up to this point will be intact. This process is just a matter of transferring it to another server. And from that server, it then gets distributed out to your devices. So once publishing is complete, then we start the process of packaging up the device configuration and putting it out on the server for the devices that download their updates, and putting it out on disks for the devices that get disk updates.